Okay, hello. Welcome again. This is 3.3 and 3.4 combined. Um, which of the following does not, circle that word, not, does not support the conclusion that the graph below is not a function? Well, the graph below is a circle, and circles are not functions. If you remember something from algebra called the vertical line test, vertical lines run up and down. And the vertical line test says if you put a vertical line down through the function and it touches the function more than once, like 2 times or 3 times, 4 times, then it's not a function. So if you look at choice A, the vertical line x is -2. Let me draw that in there. It's right here. Not drawing it very good, but you get the idea. And you should see or tell that it intersects the circle twice. I'll highlight them. So that vertical line right there shows that that circle is not a graph because it intersects it twice. But that's not my answer because I'm looking for the one that does not show, does not support the conclusion. So it's not answer A. Answer B, or I'm sorry, choice B. The vertical line x equals +2 intersects the graph more than once. Well, +2 would be this line right here. And I'll highlight the 2 places that it intersects. So that vertical line proves or shows that the circle is not a function. But again, I'm looking for the one that does not show. So it's not B. Let's try C. The vertical line x equals 3 intersects the graph once. Well, x equals 3 would be this line right here. And yes, it only hits it 1 time. But you can tell that's because it's a tangent to the circle. That would be my answer. Well, let's check out choice D just to be sure. Choice D reads the vertical line x equals 0 intersects the graph at 0, 3 and 0, -3, and that's going to be true. X equals 0 is this line right here, and it intersects at 0, 3 and 0, -3. So that's twice as well. So it's, again, not D. The answer is C. Again, that's called the vertical line test. The next one, domain. This one reads, a function is given as the set of ordered pairs, and there's 4 of them. -217, 0, -4, 3, -8, 7, 10. So 4 ordered pairs, 4 points. Question, which set represents the domain? Domain by definition are your x values. I will circle the x values. That -2, that 0, 3, and 7. So looking down below, which set lists the ones that I have circled? The answer would be C. Easy enough. Okay. Domain first. Now we're going to talk about range. This one says a function is given as a set of ordered pairs, -3, 4, 0, 4, 5, -1, 7, -5. Which set represents the range? Range are the y values or y coordinates. I will circle the y coordinates. You have a 4, another 4, so we have a repeat. This -1 and that -5. Well, don't list the repeat. Which one, which set, which choice would be a 4, a -1, and a 5? Well, again, without the repeat, and that would be answer B. So make sure you know the definitions of domain and range. One more. Which inequality, this time we're given a graph, which inequality below represents the domain for the function represented by this graph. Remember, domain are your x values. And remember, your x-axis goes from left to right. So my left to right on this axis right here, this is my x-axis, looks like it starts over here at -3 and goes all the way over here to 5. That's how wide it is, left to right. So which inequality represents something from -3 to 5? And that is choice A. So again, make sure you know vocab words: vertical line test, domain, and range. Hey, thanks for watching.